Diwas is celebrated on 16 December in India to commemorate Indian military's victory over Pakistan in Indo-Pakistan War of 1971 for the liberation of Bangladesh from Pakistan. On this day in 1971, the Chief of Pakistani Forces, General Amir Abdullah Khan Niazi, along with 93,000 troops, surrendered to the Allied forces consisting of Indian Army. We salute our soldiers who sacrificed their happiness to serve our country.
The anniversary of Vijay Diwas is observed across India by paying tribute to the martyrs who laid down their life for the nation. In the nation's capital, New Delhi, the Indian Minister of Defence and head of all three wings of Indian Armed Forces pays homage at Amar Jawan Jyoti at India Gate.
Let us pray for the brave soldiers fighting for the freedom. A big salute to all those soldiers who sacrificed their comfort and happiness so that we all can live happy and comfortable life.
आज तिरंगा फहराता है अपनी पूरी शान से, हमें मिली आजादी वीर शहीदों के बलिदान से। आजादी के लिए हमारी लंबी चली लड़ाई थी, लाखों लोगों ने प्राणों की कीमत बड़ी चुकाई थी। व्यापारी बनकर आए और छल से हम पर राज किया, हमको आपस में लड़वाने की नीति अपनाई थी। हमने अपना गौरव पाया अपने स्वाभिमान से, हमें मिली आजादी वीर शहीदों के बलिदान से। गांधी तिलक सुभाष जवाहर का प्यारा यह देश है, जियो और जीने दो सबको का देता संदेश है। लगी गूंजने दसों दिशाएं वीरों के यशगान से, हमें मिली आजादी वीर शहीदों के बलिदान से।
वतन मेरे वतन है वतन आबाद रहे तो आबाद रहे तो वतन मेरे आबाद रहे तो वतन मेरे आबाद रहे तो वतन मेरे आबाद रहे तो मैं जहाँ रहूँ जहाँ में याद रहे तो मैं जहाँ रहूँ जहाँ में याद रहे तो वतन मेरे वतन है वतन मेरे वतन। तू ही मेरी मंजिल है पहचान तुझे से, तू ही मेरी मंजिल है पहचान तुझे से। पहुँचूं मैं जहाँ भी मेरी बुनियाद रहे तो, पहुँचूं मैं जहाँ भी मेरी बुनियाद रहे तो वतन मेरे आबाद रहे तो मैं जहाँ रहूँ जहाँ में याद रहे तो वतन।
Today's thought of the day is don't see others doing better than you. Beat your own records every day because success is a fight between you and yourself. By Chandrasekhar Azad. I repeat my thought, don't see others doing better than you. Beat your own records every day because success is a fight between you and yourself.
Dear children, we have a lot to learn from the life of soldiers. We are proud of our armed forces for keeping us safe and protected from enemies. Today, We are living freely because of them. On 16 December, every year, citizen, student, and senior official remember the sacrifice of soldiers. The anniversary on Vijay Diwas is celebrated across the India by paying tribute to martyrs who laid down their life for the nation. It gives me immense pleasure to share the position of India in the world. With a strength of over 104 million active personnel, it is world's second largest volunteer army. It is also had second largest budget in the world. Dear children, soldiers give us so much and do not expect anything in return. We are really very grateful for their sacrifices. Bhagat Singh said this once. A plan is always safe on the ground, but it is not made for death. Always take some risk in the life to achieve great height. At last, I wish Happy Vijay Diwas to one and all.